Now I thought there's more. There's way more back this way. We should be able to get to it. I think this is one of the better putts, better bits, better spots, better putts, better bits. Better look out, yeah. Oh. Because it's the that spillway over the front. That back then you thought, well, you need it, obviously.
Oh yeah.
Nowadays you're like, hell.
Yeah.
No way, shape, or form.
So make sure there's no homeless living in there. It's been that long.
I don't know about that.
Oh yeah, hold on. Can't say someone let us see.
Don't be locked. How?
Got locked up.
How the fuck is this locked? How are you supposed to get down there?
You
Well,
see people walking down there on this was earlier?
you used to be able to walk down there, yeah. I don't know, maybe you still can. Maybe down over this way. Because I went down there with Jamie and Aaron. And literally, they could have crawled inside it if they wanted to. So if we go this way, we'll have a look. Yeah, this is crazy. How do you get down there? It's nuts. This guy's parking right here in the Kia. Can't park there, mate. Apparently you can if your license plate is 534ZUU. Well, shit. Well, shit.
Dry for decades.
I know. How the hell did I get a photo? It's on. It's funny because it's on Jamie's. Jamie has an old camera, right? It's like a Mattel plastic orange thing.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Half K resolution.
Yeah.
And it was a picture of him and Aaron over here who were shooting this way into the bridge, into this. So they've limited access to all of that. And if you have a look at, if you look at here, have a look at the intake. So when that spills over and goes over here, have a look on the right hand side.
Oh wow. Okay.
Right? That's a big ass hole. Maybe it was here. I can miss it. big hole.
Yes.
Like that wouldn't be fun.
Absolutely. I know it's not allowed, but that's where I would send a drone.
Well, it's not allowed to launch from here. But you can launch from outside of here and fly in this area.
Yes, and I guarantee they've got nets to shoot your drones.
Well, then
down,
they'll
too.
be in violation of the Federal Aviation Authority because
Yes.
they don't
Flies
control
it.
this airspace.
Yep.